Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Chevy Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, four-wheel disc brakes, front all-season tires, rear all-season tires. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.